Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video.
Hello fellow billiard players, my name is Pierre and I'm a European snooker coach. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your own practice table at home with very little effort, very little time and very little money. So let's get into it.
And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.